Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BIEL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. And want to get the chart updated here, although update's probably not the right word just because there's not really any new levels of support or resistance. More so just kind of confirmation of some levels and more so reassurance that from the big picture of things, everything is still perfectly fine. Yes, the price did pull back here a little bit, but that's all a matter of perspective. I mean, if you're a day trader and you bought somewhere up around here and you wanted to sell within 17 seconds, then yeah, for you the chart's looking probably pretty annoying. But if you care about the big picture of things, the overall perspective, then the bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build upon the long-term uptrend. I realized today's price action was pretty boring, quote unquote boring, just because it went sideways. I fully realize that price action like this much more exciting, but the question always becomes, well, where was the last time the price got boring? Again, boring being defined as going sideways. Well, here is some boring activity. There is some boring sideways sideways activity. And not to insult your intelligence, but every single time there was previous boring times, well, that it was lower down. Or in other words, the price just keeps on putting in higher lows. So as long as quote unquote boring keeps happening at higher and higher levels, that implies that the overall trend is upwards. And again, assuming you care about the big picture, the long-term perspective of things, then that's what you want to see, higher lows, because that's how uptrends are built. And the easiest way to measure that, as I've talked about in past videos, just keep an eye on that purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. And like I've said in past videos, as long as the price is above that purple line, bulls are in full control, no questions asked. As far as resistance levels, nothing new here. Still all about the 0025 level that showed up yesterday. So that's going to still be a public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, sure it was boring today, but still very healthy overall chart, and will continue to be healthy as long as those higher lows keep on being constructed. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if this sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.